Hello, we're here with the June 2021 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. We're going to see what's in this awesome box. And I'm not sure if you know, but it's all, of course, free shipping and no extra fees. Some boxes do either make it difficult for you to cancel if you want to, or charge you extra fees, where we don't do that. The price, $25 a month, that's shipping, your supplies, and your lesson and everything. So you're all set to go. The first thing we see here is the creative card, which just gives you an explanation of the supplies that you got in your box. This month we also have a coupon for 10% off coffee at Coffee Over Cardio. So check them out. We included some of that in our box last month, and we like to do that, special little things every now and then. Just that things that we like, that we drink coffee when we create art, so we wanted to share that with you. And we're gonna have a demo video, and if you scan this QR code, it'll take you right to our YouTube page, and you'll find that right there. So that's nice. That gives you some information on there. You have your Smile, Create, Repeat pencil. Art is good, so you know where you got your amazing art supplies. Alrighty, we have a soft knife and covers. So this is a drawing tool. You put these foam covers right on the tip. Like I'll show you this one that I have that I've used. And it just slides right off. You can use this also with paint if you wanted to, just like that, or you can use it like this with paint too. And so you can see I've used this one before, and that's the one I used for my demo video, which you'll see. So that's a great tool for that, for charcoal, pastels, paint, anything. Then we got a bunch of stuff in here. Let's see what we got. Looks like we've got 3 charcoal pencils, a general charcoal white, a Primo charcoal white, and then a Primo black. And Primo is a General's pencil company, so it's the same company. The Primo is just a different way they make it. And obviously you have 2 white ones here, and that's just because I want you to have the option to try the different ones to see if there's one you prefer over the other. So I love General charcoal pencils. That's why they're included. They're awesome, and I've been using them for 20 years now at least. And then we have a Factus Eraser. It's a soft one. I opened mine here. So this is really great for pastels charcoal, which of course is why we have it here. But it feels a little softer than like the regular vinyl eraser. So that'll work great with the charcoal. And then of course with Smile, Create, Repeat, you get something to draw on, because if you have a sports car, a Ferrari, and you're driving on the sand, it's not going to work right. So we have charcoal paper, drawing paper, and this is toned, so you can do the black on it and also the white. And I have a great demo for you, drawing an eye, so you'll see that. Actually, it's probably the next video on this YouTube channel. And then we have 2 postcards showing you some art with Smile, Create, Repeat. So if you want to send that to someone to say, hey, I love artwork and I love art, and I think you would like this subscription box, please do so. That would be great. So yeah, that's it. That's the June 2021 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. Again, free shipping, cancel anytime. You won't want to, it's great. And of course, if you have any questions before you subscribe or after you subscribe, you can always contact either me or my wife. Email us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So thank you again. Have a great summer. Stay safe, get your shot, and remember to smile, create, repeat.